Do you need a quick technique to calm your anxiety? Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. All you have to do is at your wrist, right where it bends in the middle, there's a point right here. Just do very slow figure eights. This is the circulation sex source point. And just doing little figure eights or making little hearts around it are really soothing and calming. This is something you can do in a meeting, on an airplane, whenever you need to. Sometimes I even put my middle finger on that point and then take the other middle finger so that I am hitting literally both points on my wrists at the same time. And I can hold that right in front of me on my lap. No one really knows. And I just hold, and it's really calming. Until next time, keep moving energies.